Unboxing and installing the AtomStack R7 conveyor feeder for AtomStack Hurricane. Place the box on a flat surface and carefully cut the packing tape with a sharp blade. Open the box and remove the instruction manual, cleaning brush, and top packing foam. Next, carefully take out all the accessories and place them neatly on a table for easy installation. Put the middle panel in center and side panel on the side as shown in the video. Next, take the screws, hex wrench, and the panel connectors for assembly. Slide the panel connector into the panel, securing it by tightening the screw firmly. Repeat this step for the remaining 3 panel connectors, ensuring all screws are tightly fastened. Before attaching the panel to the base component, remove the screws from the base component first. Align the panel with the screw holes on the base component, as shown. Next, take the screws and the hex wrench. Use the hex wrench to tighten the screws, securing the panel to the base component. Once the panel is in place, rotate the panel on the side like this and use the open-end wrench to tighten the base component nut, ensuring everything is stable and secure. Next, take all 4 fastening components and match them to the corresponding spots, as marked on the base component. Install each component like this, ensuring they're placed correctly according to the labels. With all 4 fastening components installed, your engraving materials will stay securely in place during operation. Now, take the 2 fixing pieces and the long knurled screws. Start by unscrewing the hooks from each fastening component. Then, align the fixing pieces with the fastening components and insert the screws, but don't tighten them all the way just yet. Place your engraving material between the fixing pieces, and once everything is properly aligned, tighten the screws completely to secure the material in place. Remove the side panels from H3 riser base and position the conveyor feeder on top, aligning the front R and the back R with the corresponding sections of the feeder. Next, open the machine's lid, move the laser head to the top left corner, and carefully remove the honeycomb panel. Afterward, take out the collection tray. With assistance from another person, gently place the machine on top of the H3 riser base. Finally, connect the USB-A cable on the machine and onto the conveyor feeder, and you're all set to use the conveyor feeder with your AtomStack Hurricane.